My name is Afza Asif, and currently I'm working at Jobs International as a project coordinator.
Well, my name is Abed Ali, and I am representing Jipaigo Corporation, an associate of Johns Hopkins University.
My name is Asif Jah, and I work for Mary Stoops Society.
Hi, I'm Shanaz Akhtar. I work with Jobs International Private Limited in Islamabad.
So I think this course has really helped me to identify those hurdles and those problems that are basically hindering the impact of development efforts conducted by USAID here in Pakistan. And one of the things that really stands out is, in my mind, by attending these courses, the individual authority the USAID gives to agreement officers and agreement officer representatives as part of their structure, and how we can collaborate at a optimum level with USAID officers that are authorized to that are assigned to different local NGOs for their projects, and how we can scale up our impact.
Like now, I'm having the references for specific rules and regulations, that how to communicate, giving the references of those rules and regulations with USAID and other partners.
The mere fact that this course has been designed by a pool of retired USAID officers, and especially the agreement officers, and is also being delivered by a USAID retired officer. So it does bring in that value addition that people like us who are grantees would get to know a lot of things that we may not have known earlier. It gives a lot of background on USAID itself. It does talk about different ADSs. It does tell you distinction between the non-US and US NGOs. So actually a lot of legal background, legal framework that we did not know earlier.
This training workshop has been very, very useful for me because I'm a program person, I'm not the operations. So many things were new, but they are all logical, all sensible. I wasn't aware that we can budget the audit in our or yearly audit in our budget, like procurement systems and how we should go on. These are all the things which we are practicing, but it's nice to confirm it with what is the requirement.
I would really recommend this course to our finance manager, because a lot of things have come up, such as the audit requirements and especially the flow down of provisions, the standard provisions that USAID has to the sub-awardees, because these situations do come up.
Well, I find this course very much useful for the procurement guys, the grants managers, the financial managers.